Hammer is giving away free Plant This Card wildflower.
It's showtime!
Hi ladies and gentlemen, Hammer is giving away wildflower seeds for free while the supplies last for Earth Day 2020. We spend most of our time online, and this is a card that you simply get in the mail and no instructions, but simply place in the ground and plant. This postcard is embedded with annual and perennial wildflower seeds. Plant under a thin layer of soil and water daily until seedlings are well established. Germinates time in 1 to 3 weeks. Those are the only instructions on the card. Find a spot in your garden. You could basically just about use your hands. Don't dig a deep hole. Place the card like so. Cover it up. Always good to add a little water. Not a lot, just enough to get it wet. And allow nature to do its job, and this will grow a nice flower plant. Wash your hands when you're done. Visit Hammer. Got a lot of information about the seeds and their products. I hope you enjoyed this video, planting wild seeds that may come back year after year. Annuals and perennials in that card. Biodegradable for sure. Thank you, Hammer, for the free wild seeds. Please rate, comment, subscribe.